It's February and it's cold. I mean, it's like 28 degrees out here right now. There's no doubt that it's still winter. But we know spring is coming, and spring is a time of renewal. Spring is a time of emerging from our darker days, and spring is when life that's been in hibernation starts to blossom. So think about this as the springtime of your life. It's a time of renewal for you. It's a time for you to emerge from darker days. It's a time to nurture new life that's springing from you. And spring is the perfect time to revitalize your life. So I'm going to show you 3 things to clarify your life in a way that will allow you to create a life that's fulfilling. And clarifying these 3 things will enable you to manage your focus and get inspired and just refreshed. These 3 steps are really simple, and they are appear, disappear, and restore. So appear is about what you want to create in your life. What do you want to appear in your life? Disappear is about what you want to get rid of, what you want to go away. And restore is about what you want to bring back or repair. Appear, disappear, and restore. So take some time. I really encourage you to take this seriously and do this. Take some time to think about these 3 things. Go somewhere quiet, where you're peaceful, and ask yourself the following questions. First, under appear, the question is, what do you want to appear in your life? There may be things that you want to appear in your life, like a new job or a new relationship. And these are goals, and it's good to have clear goals. Like, I have a goal this year to write a book. And so by all means, think about goals. Think about goals that you want to appear in your life. And then, and this is where it gets good, then I encourage you to look deeper. So when you consider that question, what do I want to appear in my life? Look deeper and consider what you can create that will make life better for others. What do you want to appear that will make life better for others? Like, when I ask myself the question, what do I want to appear in my life? On that deeper level, what do I want to appear that will benefit others? Well, I want hope to appear for other people, because I think a lot of people have lost hope in this world right now. I want that for other people. If you've ever lost hope, like I have, it's a terrible place to be. So I want hope to appear for other people. I want joy to appear for other people, and I want people to have fulfilling lives. I want to help people make fulfilling lives appear for them. So what do you want to make appear that will help other people? Okay, the second thing to clarify is disappear. And I have 3 questions for you here. First, what do you need to say no to? What do you need to make disappear by saying no? Second question, what do you need to stop doing? And the third question, what do you need to stop tolerating? I know it can be tough to say no, but when you only have so much time and energy, saying no frees up time and energy so you can focus on what you want to appear. Say no and stop doing anything that just doesn't support what you want to appear. Okay, the third thing to clarify is restore. And the question here is, what do you need to bring back or repair? Do you need to restore a relationship? that weighs heavy on your conscience, a relationship that needs healing because it holds you back? Do you need to restore integrity with your values? Maybe you really value your health, but over the last year you've kind of let your healthy habits slide, and you know you'd be better off if you got back in line with healthy habits. So what do you need to bring back or repair? That's it. Appear, disappear, and restore. I really hope you'll use this model. It is powerful. If you seriously want to revitalize your life or write a new chapter, use this approach. 11 years ago, I had hit rock bottom, and I completely rebooted and set the path to a new life full of joy and fulfillment that I am grateful for every single day. And I want that for you too.